near the oil spills affected area may have legal questions about their rights and property claims.
A Little Rock law firm is organizing a town meeting to help answer some of those questions. Fox 16's Marcy Manley live. And Marcy, these lawyers say whether people choose to hire them or someone else, legal representation is certainly a must.
That's absolutely right, Kevin. And Johnson & Vine's law firm already signing up clients who they say have been contacting them with legal questions. And in this case, they say it's a complicated issue for this oil spill and that people could have an independent person giving them information in the form of legal representation, and that could be a good thing. Now, while roughly 20 families have been evacuated in Mayflower's Northwood subdivision, there remains more than 24 other homeowners who are still living in the area and feeling the impact, whether it's real property damage done to homes, lawns, and just the general value of the area, or health effects from breathing in fumes. Lawyers here say local folks could benefit from someone taking a look at their case and answering questions independent of ExxonMobil.
I think that every person, even evacuated in the neighborhood, with any, in any vicinity that may have affected them, should at least call a lawyer and talk to them about what their options are.
Now, if folks believe they do have claims or just need some legal advice with questions relating to this oil spill, Johnson & Vines is hosting a town meeting for those affected by the pipeline rupture tomorrow night and Monday night at 6, and that will be at the Hampton Inn in Maumelle to provide general info and answer those questions. And one piece of free legal advice that they're offering to these victims is that you should not sign any piece of paperwork or agreements until you've had legal representation. Look those over to protect your interests.
Yeah, that's a real good point, Marcy. Obviously, you know this. Money's certainly not an object for Mobil Exxon, and they obviously have an army of attorneys representing them with plenty of experience when it comes to oil spills. But let's talk about the homeowners who are affected by this. I mean, they obviously don't have that kind of representation or cash flow. So what else should they be looking for when considering hiring an attorney?
Well, you shop around for almost everything and compare prices, but when it comes to hiring legal representation, you want to compare experience. Johnson & Vine says even if you don't go with them, you need to look into the background of the attorney you're considering to make sure that they have experience going up against big corporations and even oil spill cases.
Yeah, do your homework and ask a lot of questions. Marcy Manley live. Thanks.
The Arkansas Health Department has given the green light on air quality.